If you want to turn on or off message vibration or haptics on your any iPhone with the latest iOS, for that you have to open up settings on your iPhone, scroll down, go for apps, and scroll down again, choose messages from here, head to notification and select sounds. Now go to haptics here, you can pick any vibration pattern like accent, alert, heartbeat, quick, and many more options. To turn it off, just scroll down a little bit and choose none. Lastly, if you want vibration when your phone is silent, just go back settings, scroll down, and tap sound and haptics. Find the haptics section and select play in silent mode. That's it. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Like the video and subscribe for more tips.